flour here, and in the description below I'll list the amounts and how much to add, so you can take a picture or you can take a screenshot of that. So in there I am going to add in the chana flour, also known as besan flour or chickpea flour. So we'll add that in, and also I've got self-raising flour, and I've got corn flour, cumin powder, coriander powder, fennel seeds, turmeric powder, sugar, garlic paste, green chilli paste, grated cucumber, and what I've done is I've squeezed the water out of there. Grated carrot, and chopped fenugreek leaves. So in that goes, and then what we're going to do is we are going to make mix all this together with water until you've got a nice consistency, not too runny. I will show you what kind of consistency that we need. So I'm just going to add some water in there. So that was about half a cup of water. And then we're just going to give that a mix. And also guys, before I forget, of course, some salt. So first I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt, and then once the mixture's done, we're gonna just give that a taste and make sure everything's okay. And if you need to add more salt or a bit of chili, then we can do. So just give that all a mix. So as you can see, we still need more water. So a little bit more. So that's still a bit thick. I'm just going to add a little bit of water as well. So it's a good idea just to add a little bit at a time. I mean, if it does go too runny, then you kind of add a little bit more of like rice flour in there. So I think just a bit more. So I've mixed that all in, and this is a consistency that we need to achieve. I'm happy with that. So now I'm just going to, in a fry pan, just put a little bit of oil, and I'll show you what we're going to do in the next step. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put about a tablespoon of this batter in our pan and let it cook for about 2 minutes on each side, or until they're crispy and golden. So it's been about 2 minutes now, so we're just going to flip them over, and they look lovely now. So that's the color it should be, nice and golden. So let's just flip these. And we're going to carry on frying these on that side, on the other side, for about 2 minutes, and then we're ready to serve. And you can have this with kheer or rice pudding. They're very popular in our house. They're, you know, when there's guests as well, you can have them. Kids love them as well. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please do give me a thumbs up if you did. I love seeing your pics you send in. So if you do, don't forget to tag me. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.